My name is Mona Maas. I'm a master naturalist. I live in Elkhart, Illinois. My project is the Elkhart Pollinator Habitat. Our native plant garden is at the entrance to our small community, right on historic Route 66. Folks who must stop for trains are looking right at the garden, and there's always something to look at. We try to keep them curious. We began in the fall of 2020. To avoid using herbicide to kill the turf, we laid clean cardboard on the existing turf, topped by truckloads of mulch. We applied for grants over the winter and received grants from the Illinois Native Plant Society Central Chapter, the Route 66 Illinois Monarch Flyway Program, Wild Ones, the Lori Otto Seeds for Education, and also the Woods Foundation. We have installed hundreds of native plant plugs of 80 different species. We have a mix of 80% native and 20% non-native plants. The plants have been in the ground now for 3 summers, and they are lush and vibrant. We included a variety of plants for different height and color with different seasons of bloom. The purpose of the project is to show the environmental benefits of incorporating native plants into landscaping. We're trying to teach that you can bring native plants into your landscape and it can be functional and attractive. We have a large compost bin that was made for us by the local high school, and it was decorated by the grade school. It's bright red and looks like a big boxcar, but we add to that bin throughout the summer, turning and monitoring it for health and heat. We'll use that compost come fall to amend the soil at the habitat. This year, I have a team of young people in the community that help me with maintenance and planning, and our pollinator habitat is thriving, even in a drought year. If I had to describe the Elkhart Pollinator Habitat in 3 adjectives, I would say it is attractive, it's interesting, and it's functional.